All right, let's talk chickpeas. Today we're making a creamy, nutty, is that a word? Ridiculously good Thai-inspired dip. But also setting you up for my food waste busting Green Goddess Broccoli Coleslaw recipe, because we're using every last bit of these chickpeas. Hashtag root to leaf. No waste, all flavor. Let's do it. Drain a can of chickpeas and keep that liquid gold that is. It's called aquafaba. We're using a little for this dip, but also in my Green Goddess Broccoli Coleslaw. So don't even think about tossing it out. Food waste? We don't know her. And if you've never played around with aquafaba, here's the scoop. It whips up into vegan meringues, vegan mayo, even cocktails. It's kind of magic. Seriously, welcome to Hogwarts, people. It's a great egg white substitute and just a wonderful way to fight food waste. So many uses. So see my video on aquafaba to learn how many different ways you can use it. All right, in go the chickpeas. Some peanut butter for that creamy and nutty richness, coconut milk for the silkiness, soy sauce for that slap of umami, and a little brown sugar just to balance it all out. Oh, and of course, garlic, because I'm not a vampire. A little lime juice and a pinch of sea salt, because we season our food around here, okay, people? Now for the aquafaba. So excited. To lighten things up, make it smooth and give it that perfect, just smooth, whipped texture. Trust the process. Give it a quick pulse to get it going, and now whip it into a creamy, dreamy perfection. Whip it real good. Dun, 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 dun. Hashtag IYKYK. Look at that texture. Living my best hummus dip era right here. All right, let's dress this baby up. Some fresh cilantro, which makes it to the sequel for the next recipe. Some crunchy peanuts, and a drizzle of chili crisp, just for kick. Okay, now before we dive in, remember this. Leftover aquafaba, extra cilantro, both make it to the sequel. So check out my video for my Green Goddess Broccoli Coleslaw recipe, because we're fighting food waste here, people. So excited. Creamy, nutty, salty, sweet, spicy. Serve it up with veggies. Pita. Honestly, just eat it straight from the bowl. Food waste busting coleslaw time is coming up next. See you on the flip.